Last year, one of our key areas of focus was our people, which looked at ensuring our staff had the knowledge and skills they needed to safely deliver and develop our services, as well as ensuring they were representative of the communities they serve and were supported by the service in their health and well-being. We agreed to improve the diversity of our workforce, to be more representative of the communities we serve, and inspire co-production, the involvement of all. The COVID-19 pandemic brought many challenges to us as a fire and rescue service. One of the main priorities was the welfare of our staff, particularly that of our frontline staff, to ensure that we continued to respond when we were needed. These were the key areas we made progress in. We adapted to flexible working practices by providing our non-operational staff with ICT equipment to enable them to work from home. Microsoft Teams was used to support wider workforce engagement, and the Deputy Chief Fire Officer hosted regular meetings with frontline operational personnel, control room staff and department meetings. Our fitness team provided guidance to staff on ways in which they could achieve a healthy lifestyle during the period of reduced access to leisure facilities. A number of wellbeing webinars were held virtually and covered several topic areas such as optimising mental health and boosting immune system. We established a people cell to mitigate the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic, who undertook to unlock the service survey with all staff, which helped us to develop our unlock strategy. The survey was designed to elicit the thoughts and concerns of our staff, as well as ideas they had in terms of how we move forward as an organisation, both in the short and medium term. The pandemic affected our opportunities to engage with the public in traditional ways, which resulted in several programmed events and taster sessions taking place digitally, which proved to be very successful. And finally, we signed a pledge to support the Zero Tolerance to Racism campaign through Zero Racism Wales. Further information about the progress we made against our objectives can be found in our annual performance assessment by visiting www.mawwfire.gov.uk.